oven.
Oh, Bernie! It's time to smash!
Agreed. This could kill us in seconds, and it should be dismantled immediately.
That will make us lewd! No! Lightning got out for the greater good! Remote got out for the greater good! Pie just kinda got out, not packed your lunch. 2 out of 3 is telling!
Fanny, it's our mission, our identity, and we must strive to continue it even in strife.
There's only 4 of us left! If we keep this up, we'll all disappear, and then the death will occur anyway, and we won't be here to stop it. Well, I hate the pack!
Take it back. You love the pack.
No! And if we keep focusing on it, I'm next! I hate the pack!
Loves the pack, okay?
That's the exact opposite of what I'm saying!
Whoopsie.
I think we need inspiration from a former Death Pact member! Hi! Pillow, I need help killing people!
Hello, Death Pact. I'm here to teach you about the positives of death.
You can't just hear her out! Pillow thinks we need to kill someone, then I don't see any harm in it! If it means I don't go home, then all the better!
Oh, stop it, Fanny.
Great! Pillow and I are gonna chop you up! It's for the greater good, as you say!
No, just stop once you're about to suck me up. Just pull me away from these murderers.
Don't make this harder than it already is, Black Hole!